December 21st, 2022. It's actually quite warm today, minus 11. Nice 29-degree wind chill. They've been spraying us for a full week straight. But yesterday they were cloud seeding big time. So we got a lot of artificial snow, but I still have the diesel heater running. So we're gonna go see how she's performing out in the cold air. All right, hold on. As you can see, there's a polar bear out here. Him don't give a shit about no cold weather, does he? Him don't care. This thing has been running non-stop for shit over a week now, 24/7. What do you think of that, Canyon? Canyon's like, well, then why are my women inside? I moved Aspen and the puppy inside. No reason for her to be out here. Oh, for those who ask, this is my climbing wall. That's what them things are. Built that back in 2006 or 5. Still use it. Good for winters. What's up, little bear? So it looks like we are just hovering about 31 and a half, maybe 32. We're just at the freezing, which ain't too shabby. It was really cold this morning. Colder it is now, that's why I said it's warm, but she was running about 38 this morning when I came out, moved the kids in, so she's not falling no lower than that. I've been watching her for the last few hours. So very interesting. And that's just a little baby 2 kilowatt. Not the bigger versions that I am going to be making. I want a bigger one. But since this has got a fan and stuff here, I think I'm going to put some screen in here. Make sure that snow and shit don't get in there. It's probably sucking a little bit, but I want to see if I can make it fail. She's just plugging along. Anyhow. Definitely you had no heat, that'd be a handy son of a bitch. Anyhow, hope y'all are having a wonderful day and staying warm. Alright, later. So, December 21st continues. It is now 9:55 in the evening. A balmy minus 27. The minus 40 wind chill. So I've been keeping that heater going even though the kids ain't out there, and we're going to see how it's holding up. That's a baby mountain for the little puppy. Gotta get that mountain training started early. Plugging along. About to change. Hold still. So we're looking at, we're at 34 degrees. I don't know if you can see that. 34 degrees. That's awesome. This is a, what is it? 12 by 18 old garage. Non-insulated. A lot of air. Just got this plastic off. Got air coming out of there. So that ain't too shabby for a little 2 kilowatt. Huh. Pretty cool. Anyhow, yeah. So she does a little some bitching thing, holds its own. I didn't think it would keep it above freezing. Not when it's sub-zero, but anyhow, she's working. That's awesome. That's awesome. All right. So we got a balmy minus 38, minus 55 wind chill with that tiny little breeze. Let's go see how the 2 kilowatt heater held up. Yeah, that's cold. She's still plugging along. Thought they'll go out. Got a few cold bird frames. I better get them some food. Hold on, guys. She dropped down to 20, it looks like. Yep, maybe 21.